As the tropical heat builds, Mom and Chick are struggling. Her body provides some shade, but she has another strategy. She uses her immense strength to grab a branch, almost as thick as your wrist. It offers cooling shelter from the sun. Rainstorms in the Amazon can last for a week. His feathers aren't waterproof, so he could freeze to death or even drown. The temperature has dropped by 10 degrees. Now, the only warm, dry spot in the nest is directly beneath her. Eventually, the rain passes. Thanks to her, he's made it. But now, she urgently needs her partner to bring food. At last, fresh meat. The chick will rely on his parents for another 18 months. But for these rare, giant predators, finding food is becoming more and more difficult.